What's good, family? Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you guys as always for checking in with your boy. So right now I'm on my way to Wally World to go get some stuff and start the vlog, taking you guys with me. Today is Thursday, so I just put a vlog out, so if you guys go check it out, greatly appreciate it. Starting off trying to be more transparent. I'm gonna do about just about me going on this fast, this diet, this cut, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna be more transparent this year, as I stated before. So I'm gonna take y'all to the store and show you guys what I'm about to shock the world, well, at least my world, the people in my world, because I'm about to buy something that I haven't ate on this channel. So but yeah, so we're gonna go to Wally World real quick, and I will see you guys there in a few minutes. All right, family. So before I went to Wally World, which I'm at now, I had to went to Micro Center because they're giving out free shit. They sent me a coupon for some free headphones, so I went and acquired these Morpheus Studio wireless headphones. So I got some wireless headphones. They were free, man. Look, favorite, 2 letters in the favorite English language is free and faith. So now we're going to Walmart. I'll show you guys exactly what the fuck I'm about to get ready to get. So I need my meal prep meals for the week. So I need to grab me a few of these. One more. And that's probably gonna be it for that. So 4 of those. I'm fixing, let's see, classic iceberg, classic Caesar. There it is. Bam. Caesar salad for the night, guys. Yep, I'm making me a Caesar grilled chicken salad for the night, guys. Can you believe it? Eat some brock. So grab me a few bags of broccoli for my meal prep. Rice. Switch it up this week. So that's gonna be meal prep, guys, for the week. Some chicken, broccoli, and some rice for the win. All right, fam. Next day, and I'm on the clock already. Just want to show you guys what I eat for breakfast. I am once again breaking fast because I need to take those 2 lovely things, Cuts FTS. So I have a protein pancake, and I have some turkey sausage, guys, sitting on some no sugar syrup a little bit. So this is gonna be the breakfast I eat. So I can take those 2 lovely things right there. First meal of the day. So eat this, keep going, and we're gonna go straight to the second meal. Yes, sir. Another salad for lunch, family. Warm this up for a little bit. I don't like it all cold like this and shit. So I'm eating me another salad. That's gonna leave this here. One day. All right, family, so the second day in a row, I'm going to have me another salad for lunch this time, guys. I'm probably gonna go on the salad crave. I told you guys I'm gonna change up a lot of things. So again, another Caesar salad, hint of Caesar dressing with some grilled chicken, guys. So, and I'm gonna watch some YouTube, enjoy my lunch. I told you guys I'm gonna change up a lot of things, man. And just to prove to you guys, I'm actually eating the salad. Eat it right now again. Boom. About to get ready to go to the gym. Got some cardio and abs. Was gonna do it yesterday, but things didn't pan out, so I'm doing it today. So take y'all along for that. I told you guys it's more serious, man. Today was a good day. I managed to not go back to that vending machine that I recorded last vlog. Haven't done it. Had a far better. It's been a good week overall, man. Well, there's some things I do want to disclose. So for me, and I think either this vlog or the vlog after that, I'm going to explain how I lost exactly all the weight last year and give you guys some stuff that I did to help me lose the weight last year. But right now, because of the Cuts FTS and the apple cider vinegar, for me, whenever I eat like a little meal, like the salad, I get full. It feels like I ate a 5-course meal. It's always been the case for me, guys. I can eat like a very little portions, and it feels like I ate a lot of food, and it feels like I ate a lot of food. It feels like I had I just get so bloated. I don't understand it, but I guess that's the way my body is. I had to restrict myself a lot. That's a lot what I did back in 2019. I restricted so much, and I feel like I have to do it again, and I hate it. I hate restricting myself to so little calories. Dieting sucks. I ain't gonna lie to you. It really does suck. Cutting sucks. But again, I need to do this so I can, be more functional, do more pull-ups. Instead of doing 6 to 7, I want to double that. I believe lessening the weight will help me double my pull-ups, do more body movements, by the weight being less, and just getting more functionality. So that's just where I'm at right now. But about to get to the gym. Gotta get that cardio and abs done, man. It's just essential for me to do. So
the slum is not in the neighborhood. The slum is not in the ghetto. The slum is in the people. The people make the slum. And the condition our people are in now, if you gave them a $93 million project, they'll make a slum out of it in 24 hours.
Yeah. I know you've seen all the pictures of it, read all the descriptions of it. Some may act as if they love it, hoping we discover it's some devil shit in which they covet. And I ain't on no holy mission, just notice all the pride that's missing. Just like you take a child fishing, show him how to eat and he'll repeat and supersize his vision. Streets minimize your sight, no peripheral, color gone black and white. Where your mind at? Paradise slum, when them nights get long, when them situations got you facing what you'll become, and your soul's conditioned against the way you was living is why you had hard times. Living in mansion row struggle rhymes, you figure it out. Work for the streets, praise his paradise, lives for the day, trying to do right. You can see his purpose, what he doing with his life. Trouble come around, he thinks twice. You can have a boy from the burbs, mind in the slum, lives by the gun, praises the dumb. You can see he might not even live at 21. Trouble come around, he's what it brung.
Hey yo, you should stop it, work for it and you could cop it. With some good logic, you could be a hood prophet. With the conditions that we in, we live for dividends. Got us putting money before what's really significant. Never nobody pitching in, we only reaching for handouts. I don't want what they offering, I'm eager to stand out. The media keeps feeding you blasphemy. I've reached my capacity, I'm ready to live with Jesus so happily. I think we can tread the water if we stop living like sheep, cause sheep will surely let the slaughter. She misled her daughter, and so the cycle continued. But you can change, you gotta find it within you. Look, I know the mental rod, but get on your 10 to 5 and work toward a fucking enterprise instead of genocide. I can't pretend to hide no more. It's time I share my light, and every single time I tear the mic, it's for my paradise.
Boy for the streets, praise his paradise, lives for the day, trying to do right. You can see his purpose, what he doing with his life. Trouble come around, he thinks twice. You can have a boy from the burbs, mind in the slum, lives by the gun, praise is the dumb. You can see he might not even live at 21. Trouble come around, he's what it brung. Paradise minded, slum living, slum minded, rich living. Pay attention, it's weed. Take a ride through the streets. Take a ride on a vision of one with nothing to eat. Take a ride on a bullet while it's leaving the gun. As it enters the flesh of a father and son. What type of shame is this? Self-hatred the motive. Can't deny it, we own it. Never snitch but condone it. Lost in the moment. Boy for the streets. Praise his paradise. Lives for the day. Trying to do right. You can see his purpose. What he doing with his life. Trouble come around, he thinks twice. You can have a boy from the burbs, mind in the slum, lives by the gun, praises the dumb. You can see he might not even live at 21. Trouble come around, he's what it brung. Paradise.
Yeah.
When I get in that groove, I ain't coming down, then turning.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why when I get in the groove, I'm like turning that bitch.
Yeah. So one of the things about the Ono, you're here, but you want to make sure you hit the head more when you got it in.
Okay.
So come here. So touch my head here, right there. Right? So it's out here. It's more, it's here.
Yeah, I feel
So when you do it, it's here. If you're just gonna stay in that groove, then make sure you come in.
To my bench or
I'm talking about here.
I start. You talking about like on the camber bar?
No, I'm talking about here.
No, I need to start doing that though.
It gets later too. So get in position and put them together.
So like this.
Yep, put them together. Straight up. One. Right here. Yep.
Okay. Family, back at the house. I'm gonna close it out here. I'm gonna show you guys that I am having another salad for lunch today, and it's beef steak salad. Show you guys. So I have beef steak, healthy beef steak. Well, I know it's not healthy, but beef. I'm switching it up. So just want to show you guys what I got for lunch. I may have another vlog for the weekend. I may not. I'm not sure. We'll see. But I'm gonna close it out here. Talk to you guys later. Enjoy the weekend. Clean up. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. I will see you guys the next one. Peace.